2019 Principles of Accounts past question number 21. Use the information below to answer question 21. We're given a balance brought forward of 13,560 naira. We have dividends received of 2,000 naira. We have unpresented checks of 5,120. We have uncredited lodgements of 2,300. We have bank charges of 280. We have standing order of 600. The question is, what is the adjusted cash book balance? So adjusted cash book. It's a T ledger. So our balance for bank is a positive balance, so it will be on the debit side, balance brought down. We have 13,560.
What is loading?
We have dividend received. It's an income.
So you should get internet on the system, the other one, so that it can be faster. I don't want to. I thought I gave you money now.
Dividend received. Dividend received is 2,000 naira. We have bank charges. Bank charges. Our bank charges is 280. We have standing order. Which is 600. These are the items of adjusted cash book. On both sides of the ledger, the debit side is greater than the credit side, so this will give us 15,560. We'll rule again on this side because both sides must give us the same balance, 15,560. So we have a balance carried down. The difference between this 15,560 and 280 and 600 will give us 14,680. 680. So this is our balance, balance carried down on adjusted cash book balance. So our option is option C, 14,680. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.